Okay, I'm in the store and I've just found something I don't often find very much, but behind this Thomas here, we've got a Thomas packaging and there's a Percy inside. That's a really nice find. So yes, that one is definitely one to buy. Another thing I noticed here, there's lots of Thomas 3-packs and there's lots of the Golden Thomas, the 75th anniversary one. This is a pretty tricky one to find, and my advice here is to grab one, open it up and enjoy it, but also grab a couple for the future. Put them under your bed as a bit of an investment. You might have a better return than real gold.
Meanwhile, 4 weeks earlier, in another wondrous toy department looking at Thomas toys.
Oh, look at this. Find the Diamond Thomas. Wow. What are my chances of finding the Diamond Thomas? What are my chances, hey? Oh, maybe he's the invisible Thomas. Oh, wow. Maybe he's here hiding behind something. Oh, come on. There has to be a Diamond Thomas here somewhere. Please, please. Well, that's sort of cool, but it actually belongs up there. Come on. There's got to be a Diamond Thomas here somewhere. Come on. Oh, come on. I'm not feeling lucky. Oh, maybe the shelf here. That's not Thomas stuff. Maybe the shelf here. Hang on a second, that's not Thomas stuff either. Oh, what out there? Oh, come on. Oh, at least that's a Thomas thing. Find the Diamond Thomas, eh? I'm not having much luck. I wonder if you've had any luck finding the Diamond Thomas. It's got to be here somewhere. Oh, where is it? I can't see it. Nowhere to be seen. Maybe if I stand back here, I'll see it a bit clearer. No, I can't see Diamond Thomas at all anywhere. Find the Diamond Thomas. Well, I tried my very best. I couldn't find him at all.
4 weeks later, in the same store, looking at the same Thomas area.
Okay, I've come back to my favourite little shop that I get my Thomas toys at sometimes. And I'll just show you what it's been like here. It's almost like a picture tells 1,000 words. I don't have to tell you too much here. I noticed down the bottom there, the Percy 6-in-1 sets have gone. It's been taken over by whatever they are there, and it's not Thomas, I can tell you. I think that's PJ Mask, big plushies of PJ Mask toys. It should be Thomas toys there, not those guys. I suppose the virus has interrupted the supplies to Australia. That's what I'm blaming. There's an Anko police car there. These are the only 3-packs that I can see here. It's the Armoured Thomas. Okay. Up here is the Thomas Minis. I think they're a bit off the boil. I don't really see people grabbing those, and I think they've been like that for some time. Sometimes there's something hidden behind, but not today. There's a couple of sort of semi-soft toys here. I think that's a tiger, and I'm pretty sure that's a lion. Hope I'm right there, just check. Okay, yeah, that's a lion. And PJ Mask there. PJ Mask seems to be everywhere. This is up on the Pegsy area of Thomas. And I came in here to get a Trackmaster Diamond Thomas, and I've just found this. That's a normal Thomas, and someone's done that, okay, which doesn't make any sense to me. It looks like they've ripped off the gold thing from a Diamond Thomas and put it on that Thomas there, which isn't nice. And trying to find a Diamond Thomas has been actually very hard. There's Victor there. Oh, please be a Diamond Thomas, please. Oh, there's another normal Thomas there. Oh, yes. Oh, but it's a bit damaged, but I'm going to take this. It's a very, very hard Thomas to find. Finally, I've got a Diamond Thomas.
Finally.
That's been extremely hard to get, but it could be the virus times plaguing supplies to Australia. I think that's possibly a problem. I will put the store back to the way it is. I always put Thomas on the front of the peg there, and I'll put obviously Victor behind because we don't know about Victor, and that's sort of weird enough. I might even take that. Okay, just for the fact it's been fiddled with like that, I'll like it like that. Well, I better shuffle on. I've just had a few people have a chat to me because they wonder why I'm here looking at the Thomas stock, but I explained to them I sort of know much about this area here, and it's hopefully going to be restocked once we're back in the normal times, whenever that's going to happen. Oh yeah, I'm going to grab this one here. You beauty. In fact, before I go, I'll take a look at the Disney Cars area. I can see this is the little Mack truck here. Looks like someone's tried to get into that and has nearly got that McQueen there. I see a lot of that going on in stores. Okay, so go back a bit there, you can see the stock that's on the shelf there. Just going up to that next shelf there, where that busted open box was. And then going up to the pegs, and I dare say the virus times has taken out the stock supply, and well, that's what I'm seeing. Lots of empty piggeryage. That's sort of become very much the norm. And thinking of bluey stuff, I'm having bluey heart palpitations. There's a lot of bluey stuff here, a lot of new toys that I've never seen before. Oh, it looks all so good. Oh man, we can't be greedy, you can't have too much bluey in life, or maybe you can. So many people have asked me, Leo, have you got the Hot Wheels that's at Thomas? It's like a 75th anniversary little toy, and I'm thinking this is one of the most difficult Thomases to find. It is a bit of a mess here today, there's all sorts of things laying about, but the way I look for it is, I actually look for the Thomas & Friends logo on the top of the box here, and I mean, we are in the virus times, as I keep saying. Man, there's a massive, oh, there's stuff falling on me now. It's not shouting out at me. I mean, I've got to have a good proper look here without holding the phone, but I'm not really seeing what I want to see. I think it's called locomotion, I think, and the other way to look for it is you look through underneath the names under there. But strangely, I see all the same thing. It was very difficult to find that Diamond Thomas, and I think finding the Hot Wheels one, and I'm not buying it online, I'm not going to pay some stupid exorbitant fee online, because I bet you they're going for a lot of money online. It's a very, very tricky one to find, and I don't think I've had any luck here today again. It's weird, now I look a bit closer here, they're all lined up as the same type of Hot Wheels. I wonder if they do that in other stores as well. Normally it's like a great big mix, merry mix of Hot Wheels vehicles. There is a bit of a Hot Wheels mess here. What I will do is I'll start to repeg stuff, and if the Hot Wheels gods are nice to me, it's going to make that wonderful Thomas the Tank Hot Wheels car appear on me. And if the staff have any inkling that little Thomas toy is hard to get, you could probably flog it online for multiple times its actual face value, well, the chances of me finding one are going to be basically zero. I'm up against multiple things in trying to find the Thomas the Tank Hot Wheels crossover car. Apart from the fact that it's virus times, and that's really changed the dynamic of going to shops and also the way stock comes into stores, I'm also up against the hardcore Hot Wheels collectors, those who on-sell onto eBay for multiple times the peg price, also those who collect toy trains and Thomas & Friends toys. I'm not exactly sure of how many of these Thomas the Tank Hot Wheels cars are in a carton, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to find multiples of this very strange toy car train variation in store easily, because what I'm seeing online is the price is becoming ridiculous. In Australia, the normal price for a Hot Wheels car is anywhere between, let's say, $2 to $3. If you're getting them for $2, that's a good price. I know in other countries the Hot Wheels price is $1, but I'm seeing this very strange Thomas the Tank car variation going online for, let's say, $10, but you can double that price because of the postage, and a lot of people never talk about the postage price, so I'm not paying $20 for what I should be getting for $2 off the pegs. If I'm trying to buy one from an overseas seller, well, it starts to become a $50 Hot Wheels car. Obviously, if you do land one of these very strange Thomas the Tank Hot Wheels cars, do not unbox it. In the future, this very strange variation of Thomas the Tank may be worth a lot of money. But maybe it's best for someone who understands the Hot Wheels collecting arena to elaborate on that idea. I'll be honest with you, I don't fully understand Hot Wheels collecting. Let's think about, very briefly, the 2014 Golden Thomas Take and Play era with the dumb magnets. There were lots of those around back in the day, and I saw them being dumped into the reject shop for $8. Yet, when I go onto the popular online sales stores, I see how much they're going for. Anything between $100 Australian to, if you're really unlucky, up over $200 Australian. And another thing I noticed looking online is there seems to be very few of these available for sale. It's quite interesting to see the price dynamic there. Now, I'd be prepared to pay $100 for a gold Ertl Thomas, but I don't think I'd be paying $100 for one of these Take and Play dumb magnet era Golden Thomases. Maybe you think it's worth $100. you can tell me. Maybe I'm totally wrong, as usual. Another thing I noticed while I was looking at the stores in virus times was the Bluey stock in one store I go to was hard up against the Thomas and Friends area. Now, it used to be Paw Patrol and Thomas and Friends together. Very interesting to see Bluey and Thomas the Tank next to each other. And what I've noticed is Thomas likes to be hard up against what's very popular. And one final thing, I did find 2 more Diamond Thomases in a store that was being restocked with Thomas stock, yet the Diamond Thomases were not put on the pegs, they were left in those boxes there. I grabbed that box. Maybe it's a story for another day.